Weesie Nation. Happy Monday! Hope everyone is feeling great. Woke up good on the right side of the bed this morning. Me, I am feeling good, y'all. Feeling good. I thanking God for blessing me this morning to open my eyes. Yes. Ooh, and able to go where I need to go today. I'm giving him thanks for now and in advance. You know? So, yeah. So, like I said, it's Monday. I'm out here. It's a rainy Monday. I'm about to show y'all what's going on out here. I got my windshield wiper on, and it's raining. Yes. So, like I say, y'all see the rain coming down. So, but I have to be out here in this rain. Got a lot to do today, and I'm going to be bringing y'all along. So, are y'all ready? Let's go. Y'all, I don't know why this aisle is the first aisle I always go down every time I come in Family Dollar. But as you can see, this aisle don't have nothing I need. So on to the next. Y'all, this vlog will not be complete if I don't take y'all to Walmart. Okay, y'all, we made it back home just in time to drop off the stuff. And now I got to go pick up baby girl from school. So when I come back from doing what I got to do, I will show y'all what all we got from Family Dollar and what I got from Walmart. So I want y'all to stay tuned. Okay, my Weesie Nation. It's many hours later. So y'all ready to see the haul that I have from Family Dollar and Walmart? Let's go. All right. First up we have some Canada Dry that I got from Family Dollar. To help with the stomach. Help with the stomach whenever I have an upset stomach. Canada Dry. Okay. Another bag from Family Dollar. Got some Drano. Because my girls keep stopping up that dang sink and tub. I don't know how. What? Okay. And then I have some dishwashing liquid, Ajax. Okay. Another bag from Family Dollar. We have 2 bowls that I got from Family Dollar. These are some nice colors. So that's why I got it. For the color. Okay, I have 4 toothbrushes, different colors. Oh, I got two brushes, same color. Purple, 2 purples, 1 blue, and 1 pink. I better not let my daughter see this, my baby girl, because she's going to ask me for pink. Mommy, can I get that? And I use Firm. Okay. Next, I had some toothpaste. 3 Max Fresh breath strips. Colgate. Okay. And then I got some stoppers for my tub because I feel like a little bubble bath coming on, y'all. Bubble bath. last, I have 2 kitchen curtains. Got this one and then this one. Okay. That's it. Let me tell you again, y'all. And I'm starting to love these, y'all. I'm loving it. Loving it. I'm going to have to slack up off it because it's kind of a little sweet. And I don't want the doctor to say, Mama Weesie, Mama Weesie, you have to stop on the sugar. So, yeah. And then I got 4 little small cans of black pepper. Okay. They didn't have the big kind, so I had to set up for the little smally. I do a refill too on my pepper since it was out. And then, how many of y'all done taste the mama? The big, what? Big mama. How many of y'all done taste the big mama sausage? Sausages is pepper. It's peppered. I mean, not peppered. Pickle sausage. Big mamas. I love these. So good. So good. Okay. My next bag. Okay, this is the last bag from Family Dollar. I got this for my drain. I'm going to see if anything's stuck in the drain. So I'm going to use this. It's called a drain. For the, well, like a drain snake. So I'm going to put this in and see if something's stuck up in the drain. Because, my girls, I don't know. I don't know. Could be hair, could be anything, y'all. And then I went and copped this, y'all. Got this. So we're going to set this up and I'm going to see how it works. We're going to see how it works together, okay? All right. Okay. And then my last bag is from Walmart. And then I went and purchased this. Because I went and Walmart. My daughter told me she saw the tripod. And I went in Walmart to try to see if I try to see the tripod. And it's not the tripod that I want. So I saw this instead. Something new. Something new. To try on the tripod I have here. So, yeah. And that's how it looks. So I'm gonna show y'all. Let me open it. Hold on. I'm show y'all how it looks for real. Just about to open it up and show y'all how to look. You know what? I'm going to show y'all how it looks when I do this. So we'll be putting this together and also seeing what this is all about. Seeing what this is all about and putting this together and see what it's coming out to be. So y'all stay tuned. Okay. This is the end of my little shopping haul. My little shopping haul from 2 stores. Hope y'all like it. But y'all don't go nowhere yet now. This is the first time that I ever went to Family Dollar and spent $93. Almost $100 inside Family Dollar, y'all. I can't believe it, and I know y'all won't believe it either. All right, y'all, let's do a refill of the black pepper. Y'all, this was empty. This right here was empty. And it's 4 little black peppers fill up this. Wow. Yeah, it's all full, y'all. I'm about to sneeze. It's done. Look. See? It's all full. All day. Next to fill up is the spaghetti. Goes in here. Some more pasta. We got the elbows that's going to be in here. And then in this big tall one, I'm going to put the panini